Hello everybody, myself Nidhi Joshi, and in today's session I am going to discuss about the display of the binary search. In my session I will be discussing what is a breadth first search, after that depth first search, and to understand this thing we'll consider some example to clear both this, like how it works. So let us start with the display of the binary search tree. The tree can be displayed, the tree can be searched either in the breadth first manner or the depth first search manner. The display, that means like we have to visit each and every node, or it can be displayed, it can be represented. So first we'll see what is the breadth first search method. So in the breadth first search manner, we'll display all the nodes on each level. Breadth first search is also called level wise display of the node. In the breadth first search, the data on each level has to be displayed from left to right. So if we are having this tree, so this is the level 0, level 1 and level 2. So first we are representing it, the root node plus A star, B and C. So the breadth first search, it display all the nodes on each level, level 0, level 1, level 2. It is also called the level wise display of the node. In this, the data on each level has to be displayed from left to right, left to right, left to right. Next we'll consider one more example. We have this tree. So first is the root 10, second level and the third level, from left to right 8, 12, 7, 9, 11, 13. So in the same way we'll see for the depth first search. So the depth first search is another technique of displaying data. In this, the data can be displayed according to the depth of the tree. Depth of the tree, like here we start searching from the root node, and from the node moving along the edges and moving towards the leaf node, and will print the data. So first we'll start with the root node and then moving towards the depth. Moving towards the depth, here we are moving towards the depth, and here we are moving towards the depth. So after performing the depth first search, we got the plus A, B, C and then star. So in the depth first search is same as the pre-order traversal. If we are considering for this example, so the depth first search is 10, 8, 7, 5, 3, 6 and 9. So we'll see the breadth first search for this problem. The breadth first search is level by level, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. In fact, for the same F, D, J, B, E, G, K, A, C, I and H, level by level, and from we are moving from left to right, from here to here, from here to here, here to here, like this. So in the same way, for this problem also, breadth first search we can find out. For this also, for this also, like I was talking like in the previous, like how we are going from root to this, from this to this, from this to this, and like this. So in that way we can perform the breadth first search. So some of the examples, like practice problem for the breadth first search. For the breadth first search, so if we are seeing this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, from here to here, 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 Write to here like this. So next, for this problem also we can easily find the breadth first search. Now we'll see some more problem related to the depth first search. So in the depth first search, it's just like the pre-order. So if we consider this tree, 1 2 3 4 7 8 6 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4, like will again come to this place, and again we are seeing in the depth. For this problem, 1 2 4 5, then again backtrack 3 6 and 7. So if we consider this problem, so A, B, D, H, E, I, J, C, F, lower left child. So what we are doing, K, and after that will come to the root and then G. So for this problem, for this tree, 1 2 3 4, backtrack, we are looking for the depth and the right subtree, that is 5 6 7. So in this particularly session, I had discussed like the depth first search and the breadth first search. So systematically approach that we are following in order to display all the edges of the tree. Like we have to visit all the edges, or not all the nodes of the tree. So the systematic approach that we can follow, we can go for the breadth first search, we can follow the depth first search. The two techniques are there. The difference that lies the order in which the nodes are visited. So here in the breadth first search, we are following the level by level display of the node, whereas in the depth first search, it's just like similar to the pre-order traversal. Here we are searching the data from the root node, and from the root node we are moving along the edges, moving towards the leaf node and printing the data. We are looking in the depth wise way. So after that, I had discussed individual problem related to the breadth first search and depth first search. In the similar way, we can apply this technique, the breadth first search and depth first search, for the graph also. The main motto behind of using this approach, like we have to display the nodes, we have to display the nodes vertices that are having in the tree or the graph. The logic of using both these techniques remains the same. So that's all is there in my today's session. In case if you are having any queries related to this topic, just let me know, and try to practice more and more caution on this topic. Generally these questions will come like if you are facing some competitive exams like GATE, if you are appearing for any other exam, at that time the caution of asking the question from this part is high. So that's all in there in my today's session. Thank you.